Lewis Hamilton's ex-Pagani Zonda 760LH trashed in tunnel crash. The exquisite Pagani Zonda 760LH one-off formerly owned by seven-time Formula One world champion Sir Lewis Hamilton has crashed in Wales. Sir Hamilton sold the car a couple of years ago. Pictures of the purple-painted beauty surfaced online, showing extensive damage to the pricey carbon fiber bodywork. According to automotive photographer Ethan Gale, the Italian exotic was involved in a single-car collision on Tuesday, August 15. The car reportedly crashed in the Penmaenbach tunnel in Conwy, North Wales. There's no official story, but rumors suggest the driver planted the throttle in the tunnel, presumably to enjoy the full roar of the AMG-built V12, and lost control. The car spun into the tunnel wall, causing substantial damage in several places. The images show considerable damage to the front and rear axles, with the left side wheels twisted out of place. There are multiple cracks in the once gorgeous purple bodywork, while the left door no longer aligns with the rest of the car. Part of the windscreen shattered on impact, while the Pagani's front bumper and headlights look worse for wear. Most importantly, the vehicle's driver escaped without injuries but is reportedly shaken up. We're guessing the ego has sustained considerable bruising, too. It's rather sad to see such a majestic motor vehicle sitting lifelessly on the back of a tow truck, but a car as special as this most definitely isn't destined for the scrap heap. It's safe to assume it will be repaired, at a considerable cost, by Pagani's team of talented artisans. Hamilton originally ordered the bespoke 760LH in 2013 and reportedly covered a mere 620 miles while the vehicle was under his care. The Formula One star came under fire a few years ago after he was photographed driving the car in Monaco despite pledging that he would only drive electrified vehicles to benefit the environment. Critics argued that Hamilton was a hypocrite for using the car to attend a party. Hamilton has previously told the media that every new addition to his collection will feature some form of electrification, even if it's a hybrid. The 38-year-old let go of the Pagani in December 2021. Reports suggest the British racing driver netted a tidy $8.7 million profit when he sold the car. Presumably, that means the new owner is minted enough to cruise around in a utopia while they wait for the 760LH to be restored to its former glory.